Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
I'm back, and in this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to write product descriptions for your Shopify store. Now, this is a Shopify store that I have in which I actually have some products for pets, specifically for cats and dogs, and yeah, so those are the two species that I have products for. But for these products here, they lack product descriptions. Now, this is just a new store that I've been working on. I added a bunch of products in there just to test the store, but it's not really looking wonderful. Now, here for Shopify, you have this space reserved for title, and you also have another space reserved for description. So if I go to AliExpress, let's search for any kind of products here. Now, not only will this actually help you add product descriptions and title, it helps you do much more. Let's go and search for pet or cat bed, right? So these are some interesting beds that you can actually buy for your cat, especially for a very small cat, right? Such as this one here. Because cats, when they're at this age, they tend to die from cold. Okay, so if you're thinking about buying a cat, man, I want to share with you this experience. My brother actually bought a cat last week, and his cat died. It died because of cold weather. It couldn't withstand the weather. It was really cold, and it was a really, really small cat. And sometimes I remember it. It really makes me feel sad because it was such a lovely cat, and he only bought it a week ago. So from experience, cats can die from cold, especially when they are this young. So make sure that if you want to buy a cat, buy a pretty damn warm bed for it and put it in there so that it can actually get warm. Now here, for this particular cat, I can click here, and for any product on AliExpress, there is a very generic product description for the product. For example, this one, winter warm cat bed, deep sleep mat basket for cat's house, tent cozy. So it has a lot of keywords going, all right? So it doesn't really look that appealing. So you can take this description and you can go back to ChatGPT and you can ask it, "Hi, I want to sell beds for cats on my Shopify store, and I find the following product title to be very generic. I want you to help me write a simpler product description." Okay. All right, so I'm gonna type that and let it write it for me. So here, cozy cat cave bed, and even it helped me write the product description. So there you go, cozy cat cave bed product description. So you can take this and you can come to your Shopify store, and instead of these generic titles that are generated by AliExpress, which are unappealing to buyers, you can get these descriptions, and mostly these descriptions will contain a lot of different keywords. And also, you can ask it to change the description and to put some keywords. Let's suppose that you want to rank for cat bed, cat warm, warm cat. Let's say that these are keywords that you want to have embedded in your product description. You can take this and you can ask ChatGPT, "Please integrate these keywords in the description." And you can paste the keywords right there, and there you go. Right now it's gonna write a product description. And also you can see that the product title also changed. Cozy cat cave bed, keep your cat warm and comfortable. So it looks like a better product title instead of this very huge generic title that leads to nowhere, and people cannot really see the benefit of that title. And also right now it's working on the background of the description of the product and adding those keywords, especially if you want to rank for them in terms of SEO. Now, this is not it. This is not the only thing you can do. Now, you can write product descriptions, product titles, but you can also have ChatGPT help you do the product creative. Now, let's suppose that you are promoting your product on TikTok. Now, you know, with TikTok, videos are short, right? So you can come to ChatGPT, and I'll show you in the next lecture some of the things that you can use ChatGPT to do in terms of creating the creative for your product so that you can use it to promote your product on social media, whether that be on TikTok or on Pinterest or on Snapchat, whatever you're promoting your product at. But you can definitely use ChatGPT to help you generate that creative.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.